Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate the iconic Cady Heron from Mean Girls outfits and recreating her most iconic look using DTI items. So in here, what you need to do is just choose the skin tone and makeup first. So this is the makeup that I'm using. And next for the hair, I'm going to go to the curly category and put on this hair. And now I'm going to change it into this orange red color, this one. You can use this hex code here. And next for the outfit, you are just going to need, for the top, there are two items that you are going to put on. First, the sleeves in here, change it into red color, and also this one. Okay, and just change all the colors into red. And now I'm going to put on the shoe. So I'm going to use this ankle boots and double it into knee length like this. And for the skirt, I'm going to use this skirt in here and change it using these patterns. And for the belts, I'm going to change it into black. And lastly, to complete the look, I'm going to put on this handphone, this mobile phone, and change it into tags. So this is the final look for the Mean Girls outfit. I hope you like this one. So whether you're going for a new girl at no short or plastic queen in the making, this glow up is totally fetch. Hit like if you love Mean Girls, comment your favorite characters, and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more legendary movie style transformations in DTI. Bye!